Today I am fully completing the look of my new wheels on the WRX with some official raised center caps. These are in the black chrome finish to match the wheel color, and it also has blue accents to match the World Rally blue on my car. But first I did buy some replacement spoke stickers to address that awful sticker job that I did on the first wheel that I unboxed. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way right now, and then we'll move on to the center caps. So hopefully this sticker can come off real easy. It's been a few weeks, so hopefully I don't need a heating gun or anything like that. Let's go undo this one. There you go. And this time I came prepared with some alcohol wipes. Hopefully I can do this in one attempt. We have 4 stickers in total this time, but this time we have experience. Holy crap, I'm stupid. All right, this is why we have multiple, so I'm not too worried. What the? Gosh, I think it's because of the way I'm sitting, but I'm like messing it up. Well, I'm glad I have multiple. So we're gonna be on our 3rd try here. I don't know why I'm so bad at this, but I think the problem is I was not sitting down. I was doing the Asian squat or the Vietnamese squat. So this time I'm sitting down on my butt to be more stable. Hopefully I can line it up better. I did go ahead and do a walk around with the other ones, and they all look pretty good, luckily. So it's just this one that we need to address. And then maybe like one other one is slightly off. So if I have an extra one from here, that's probably what I'm gonna use it on. But if not, it's completely fine since this one's the only major bad one. So, perfect. Finally, please. Actually, there is a little bit of bubbles. I don't know if there's actually some slight bubbles still, but I don't know if I should just let it chill a little bit. You know what, I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna take it off and do one last try, everybody. Last chance, everyone, last chance. Please, please. Oh, I think I did it. That sounds so wrong, but the noises I'm making is so wrong, but I think I did it. Now I'm gonna let it sit, marinate a little bit more. Well, I can't believe it took all 4 stickers to get the perfect one, but here you go. Again, I absolutely hate doing sticker jobs. I'm not good at it, but luckily we had those extra ones, but now we can finally move on to what this video was about, which is the center caps. Also, quick update in the wheel install video, I did mention that they couldn't install the raised valve stems, but I did go ahead and switch out the caps they gave me and put on the raised one instead. So here is the black official raised valve caps, at least, just to put it on since I can't have the raised valve stems, but at least can have the caps at least. So that's pretty cool. And another reason was because I lost one of the other caps. So now we are finally moving on to the center cap install. For the center cap install, I want to make sure that the orientation is correct. So the spoke that says raised right here with the engraving, that should be the right spoke, and then the sticker spoke should be on the left, leaving this middle one to be considered the top spoke. So I'm gonna turn the center caps, make sure the words are facing appropriately that way. So let's go ahead and put it on. I think it should be able to just pop it on like so. I'm turning my body just to make sure it's on correctly. And I think I just pop it in. There you go. It is in. And there you guys have it. Can I spin it while it's in? No, I cannot. So make sure you got it correctly. Now I'm gonna do it for all 4 wheels. Oh, dude, I just need the side skirt. Oh, that hurts. Jeez. It's actually kind of harder to pop in than I thought, but looks nice. Okay. There you go. This one is straight up upside down. There you go. I think you're good. And that's the install done. Whew. Oh, my knees are killing me. And that is going to be it for today's install. Very short and simple. Overall, I'm very happy with how they turned out. At first, I wasn't sure if I would like the exposed hub ring look more, but I think I preferred the center cap since it makes the wheel setup look more complete. And it's nice that I'm able to hide the discount tire damage that I mentioned in the previous wheel install video. Also worth mentioning that the black chrome on the center caps is a little darker than the wheel. And honestly, it's how dark I wanted the wheels to be originally, but it's still a beautiful setup. I'm very happy. It just feels good to bring it to a close and finally complete the wheel setup, which is one of the biggest, most popular mods people do to their cars, and I've achieved it for the first time with my WRX. Also, at the time of this voiceover, it's actually been a month since I installed the center caps. It's just been a really busy June for me, so I apologize for the lack of videos, but hopefully in July I'll get to make more. Sometimes as a small creator, I think I get hung up on trying to push out videos weekly, and I get stressed out if I don't make enough videos and worry what people will think of me. And I learned that it's actually okay to pause sometimes as long as you come back, and I think it will help with my consistency long term, avoid burnout, and hopefully make better videos in the long run. As far as the videos coming in July, I know for sure I'm aiming to make another cinematic car wash video. My car has been sitting unwashed for a month now, and it's dying to get washed. So I think it's gonna be another satisfying video. I also have another mod coming in soon. But anyways, I'll stop yapping and I'm going to end this video with some footage I got during the alignment at Kraken Motorsports. The car is now driving straight, but the camber in the rear is actually pretty aggressive compared to the front. So I'll probably get lower control arms to adjust that. With that said, my name's Alan. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.